Guys, welcome to the channel. Today's video, I'm taking a look at the farmhouse, the Polygon reward pool with the most organic daily returns. As you can see, it launches in 1 day and 9 hours with a daily return of only 7%. So that will help keep the project going a bit longer, and the 2% dev fee will also help keep it going longer. Looks like you can earn 13.5% on referral, which is the biggest referral I've seen on any of these baked bean forks. So what do you do if you're not familiar with these baked bean fork projects? Well, first of all, this is on the Matic network. So first, you're going to have some Matic in your MetaMask wallet. Then you will come on here once it's launched, and you'll put the amount of Matic in here that you want to deposit. This button by then will have changed to basically buy seeds. You'll buy seeds with this, I should think, and then every 24 hours for 6 days you will replant the seeds, which basically is recompounding your Matic, and then on the 7th day harvest your seeds, then rinse and repeat. That is the strategy that makes these protocols last a bit longer. You don't want people trying to withdraw every 5 minutes. It just, well, it not only it doesn't ruin, but it hinders the protocol. And it also doesn't work out. They don't get their max rewards. So basically, stick with the 6 days recompounding and 1 day harvest your seeds. Basically withdraw. You withdraw your Matic. Okay guys, that should cover you even if you've never seen one of these before. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.